Are you looking for the best BMX bikes in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best BMX bikes that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below. And also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Mongoose BMX-Bicycles. Mongoose must be the most famous BMX brand in the world. Most people will have had or wanted a Mongoose BMX at some point in their childhood. Well, since the 1980s at least. The Mongoose Legion L10 is designed to be a highly affordable bike for parents to get their children as a first BMX bike. It is designed to fit people between 44 and 5. To go with this sizing point, the bike comes with a 48mm stem, rather than the more common 53mm stem. The shorter stem puts the bars in a much more comfortable place for your young shredder to reach. With a gyro fitted to the bike, you'll find your child ready to bar spin before you're ready to watch them try it. As the Mongoose is more affordable, you'll find the bike is constructed from high-10 steel. High-10 steel can be just as strong as 4130, but it'll be heavier and slightly less refined. It will feel a bit more dead than the zing you get with 4130. Your child, though, will more than likely not notice this, and it probably makes more sense to stick to a budget when buying for a child. Up next in the 4th place is the Mongoose Title Elite Pro BMX race bike. The second Mongoose in our lineup is different from all the other bikes in our lineup. It is a race BMX, rather than a freestyle BMX. Race BMX is an Olympic sport, and you'll find BMX tracks in most towns across the world. You can learn how to ride fast and then take those skills onwards to becoming a national champion. Or you can take those skills and take them to freestyle. Race bikes focus on being lightweight. That is why you'll find a 6061 aluminum frame rather than a 4130 frame. 6061 aluminum is stiff and responsive, so whenever you press down on your pedals, your bike will accelerate forward with bow flex taking away from your power, as you can then imagine on a fully fledged race bike. The Mongoose Title has sealed bearing. Every bearing is sealed, including the BB86 bottom bracket bearing. BB86 is a road bike press fit system created by Shimano to aid performance, to keep you safe. The bars and forks on the Mongoose Title are made from 4130 steel. When you're riding flat out over large jumps, you want to know your parts will last and keep you safe. That reassurance is worth more than the price tag on the Mongoose Title. The 3rd product on our list is the Wethepeople Battleship 2020 Rhodesian BMX. The Battleship frame, as you'd imagine, it is 4130 steel, like the other high-quality frames in this review. The difference is that the frame is hydroformed. Hydroforming is a new technique for BMX frames, and it is used extensively in road bikes and mountain bikes. It makes the frame very strong, and because of this, you get a lifetime warranty on it, as well as the look. The Battleship has a lot of features that street riders will be looking for in a frame. It has a pretty steep head tube angle. A steeper head angle makes tricks off the front wheel, such as nose manuals, a little bit easier. It also comes with very short chainstays. Shorter chainstays make it easier for you to spin the bike, as well as the pro-level frame. All of the parts on the Battleship are aftermarket rather than OEM parts. The rear wheel is a Wethepeople Helix Freecoaster, and with a little bit of time, you can convert it from right-hand drive to left-hand drive to suit how you ride. Second on our list is the Mafiabikes Kush 2 Plus. The entry-level Kush 2 Plus bike from Mafiabikes provides pro performance to beginners at an affordable price, an upgrade from the popular Kush 2 model. This new bike comes with frame and wheel improvements to boost durability. More and more people worldwide are getting into BMX, and British brand Mafiabikes understands how to combine quality specs and good looks in a package that's perfect for riders just starting out. The Kush 2 Plus is available in a ton of stylish colors. The bike comes with fat 2.4 Lagos crawler tires, but you can purchase colored and patterned Lagos tires from Mafiabikes' website. The classic frame shape features a CNC machined internal headset, sealed bottom bracket, and top-load stem. Major upgrades from the Kush 2. Other pro touches are the 4130 3-piece cranks and double wall rims that can handle heavy use at the skate park. The 25T divided by 9T gearing is pretty standard for a freestyle BMX, And the 20.4 top tube fits most teens and adults. It would have got a perfect 10 if not for the extra heft and solid, but mid-tier components. The fresh aesthetic and quality specs for the price make the Cush 2 Plus the ideal bike for riders still building their BMX skills. Mafiabikes claims it is the most complete entry-level BMX bike out there. And I'm tempted to agree. Finally, the top product on our list is the Kink Liberty Brakeless BMX bike. From one of the best brands in BMX comes the Kink Liberty, the ultimate freestyle machine with full specs and a wallet-friendly price. The Liberty is the only bike on this list that comes equipped with pegs, so you know it means business at the skate park. No brakes and strong frame confirm this bike is one designed for experienced riders. But the sub-$500 price tag makes it accessible to anyone. The Liberty is constructed around a sturdy 4130 chromoly frame and mission headset that stands up to stunts, jumps, and the inevitable falls. Riders can feel fine putting a lot of force through the bike. And its Kink Bold 50mm stem is built like a tank. 3-piece 8-spline cranks are solid options linked to the traditional 25T divided by 9T gearing. The fat Kink Sever 2.4 tires have lots of surface area and provide a nice amount of shock absorption. Most of the components are proprietary Kink parts that are well built and ready to impress at the skate park. Keeping production in-house keeps the bike's cost down. But I'm hard-pressed to find any flaws in the overall package. For committed BMXers that want to upgrade their setup on a budget, the flashy Kink Liberty won't disappoint. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.